I'm Dreamcode, and today I'm going to set the environment as you can see in the title. So first we need to download an operating system because I'm not going to use Windows. I want to use Linux for my test. So I'm going to Google as you think. I'm going to search for Ubuntu. I don't know if I'm spelling it right. I think it's Ubuntu or something like that. And I'm gonna enter on the official. Now let's actually download the Ubuntu desktop. Yeah, download the Ubuntu desktop. And I'm gonna download it right. It is an .iso file. So .iso file. So, yeah. An ISO file is a file which usually contains operating systems, I don't know, installing stuff, games, other stuff, games to install, folders, packages, virtual machine. I need a virtual machine because I'm going to run a virtual machine. And the first website I'm finding on Google is called Box. I'm going to install this, downloads. Then after these two will complete, I'll install the Ubuntu desktop and I'll do the next steps. So yeah. Okay, so after I download the virtual box and Ubuntu, we're gonna install a virtual box. So yeah, first step. Please. No. Network interface, yes. This is going to create another network interface or something like that called Oracle Corporation. I'm going to install that, and this network interface will be used for my virtual environment, which will be an Ubuntu 18. Oh, right. Step, because it's not that hard, it's really simple to install an environment. Using the VirtualBox is really easy to do that. So we have here a VirtualBox, we have tools, and let's create a new. Okay, so we have a problem with the VirtualBox because it's only recognize the systems 32 bytes here, and I want before actually Ubuntu. So I'm going to fix this problem. You have to go on Windows features on or off. You have to disable this feature, Hyper-V. Hit OK and reboot your computer. After that, I'm going to show you what you must do next. After that, you must go into the system configuration, and right here, if you have the Intel Virtual Technology, you should enable that. So I'm going to save and exit, and after that it should work. After doing that steps which I showed you, when you open the VirtualBox, when we select new here, we can select the 64 actually, and also the 32 Ubuntu. So I'll select the 64-bit Ubuntu. I'm going to name it as a virtual Ubuntu. I'm gonna hit next. I'm gonna choose gigabyte. I'm gonna create a virtual hard drive, and I'll select here the virtual hard disk, and also right here I'll set the dynamically allocate. After creating this, I'll go into the settings. Okay, going to check the storage. So right here I should add the virtual optical disk drive, the Ubuntu ISO file. And right here, let me see if I have the virtual Ubuntu VM. I think the location, I want to change the location. I'm gonna remove that and I'm going to add disk. Create a new disk. I want to path, but right here I want to change the path because I want I'll make here a new folder. Ubuntu. I think it's 18. Virtual disk. I want to create this right there because I have more space in D, and here I selected the Ubuntu ISO. Next, let's go on. Oh, we have on the system. I choose 4 GB. I'll set multiple processors. I'll set this to 6, and acceleration. Okay. Add the display islet as it is right here. Storage is okay. Everything okay. I'll select OK here, and I'll start the virtual environment machine. So we have here the virtual box. Oh, it's so little. It's really little. So I think the system is booting up. Okay. We have the Ubuntu. It's on 64 bytes. Okay. And let me see here. Okay. So we have try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. I'll select the install Ubuntu because it's right here. I'm gonna select the keyboard, normal installation. Also download the app. Erase disk and install the book. I'll set my location. Also enter here dream code. Log in automatically. Actually require password. And the system is installing right now. It's very simple. You must do the steps. If you have the problem with 34, you should choose that on your so yeah, I pause a little bit until this is going to be ready, installed, and we're gonna continue after that. Okay, so after the installation is complete, we're gonna restart the virtual Ubuntu. So I'm gonna hit right here, restart now, and yeah, the Ubuntu will restart. And I think I should uncheck the ISO file. I think not really. I'm not sure. Yeah, and the dream code is ready to go. So this is the environment. I looked in. Now it's not using anything. I think I'm going to change the resolution. There we go. So it's 43. apply. Yeah, that's why we go here. Here we go, everything is okay. So we have the setup. We're gonna install the updates right now. We have the environment set it up. Change the resolution to the regular resolution. We're recording right now on the on the next video. I'm going to open the terminal. I'm going to show you some comments. So for the next, yes, let's see, terminal, no, terminal, and I'll attach this and attach this. Oh, remove from favorites. Okay, so it's already at favorites. We have the terminal attached, and in next video we're gonna command, and we're gonna set up our directories where we're gonna work. So if we're gonna press PFD, have our location, and right here I'm gonna make a directory mk there, and I call it home dream and Python work. And into this directory we're gonna work, and if you're going to change directory to Python, we can see that we are right there, and we're gonna work right here. So in the next video we're gonna set the tool for coding, create a repo, a repository where we're gonna write all our code, and then we're gonna start with the basics of Python. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, and don't forget to hit the bloody like button, because Dream Code is going to come back next week maybe with another video. Nice video. Have fun.